In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table in Google Sheets. If you're tired of manually coloring cells and fiddling with borders, this is the fastest way to turn raw data into a clean, professional table that's easy to read and easy to manage. Start by highlighting your data. Make sure you select the entire block you want to format as a table, including your header row if you have one. It helps if your data is arranged in a continuous rectangle without completely blank rows or columns in the middle, so Google Sheets knows exactly what belongs in the table. If you accidentally grab too much or too little, don't worry. You can simply adjust the selection before moving on. With the data highlighted, go to the Format menu at the top and click Convert to Table. Immediately, Google Sheets instantly adds professional styling, alternating row colors, and built-in filters for you. Alternating colors make it easier for your eyes to track across rows, especially in wider data sets, and the consistent styling gives your sheet a polished, cohesive look without any manual formatting. You'll also notice small filter icons appear in your header row. These built-in filters let you sort and filter your data on the spot, which is great for quickly finding what you need or focusing on a specific subset of rows. It keeps your data readable and functional without creating separate filter views or messing with the underlying content. Now, if you want the table to match your brand or project theme, this part is simple. Click the Table Customization menu that appears on the right to change the color theme. From here, you can preview different color palettes, adjust the primary accent, and fine-tune the look in just a click. You can even change the theme colors with one click to match your branding. It's a quick way to keep your visuals consistent across reports, presentations, and shared documents, and it helps your table stand out without being distracting. That's it. No more manual coloring, no more guessing which shades go together, and no extra work to add filters. If you ever want to revert, you can undo right away or reapply a different theme from the same customization panel. By starting with a clean selection, converting to a table through the Format menu, and using the customization panel to dial in your colors, you'll have a professional, organized table in seconds. This approach keeps your data clean, readable, and ready to share.